Good morning everyone, my name is Pragati Mishra from BCA PPU batch 3 third year. Today I am going to give a presentation on the Excel topic if statement. What is this if statement? If statement is basically a logical operator used in Excel. Here I'll mention syntax. If logical condition, we will provide a condition. If the condition is true, true part will execute, otherwise false part will execute. In if statement we can apply only one if statement, or we can use it as nested if, just like this. If the condition is true, true part will execute, otherwise other if statement will execute. From here to last it is false statement for first condition, and similar to this is condition 2 and this is true part, and the remaining is the false part for the second condition. Here I'll mention an example. If C2 is greater than is equal to 8000, C2 is this cell, and if it is greater than 8000, so we will calculate first true part, C2 into 15%, and the answer is shown here in this cell, bonus cell. And if the condition is false, as you can see this condition is false, so false part will execute and C2 into 10% will calculate in the bonus. So I will represent it through an example in Excel. So this is a representation of a student in a class, 10 students, and it is the mark given out of 100. So I will mention here grading system. If a student got less than 50%, it means bad grading, and if between 50 to 70, then good, and between 70 to 90, very good, 90 to 100, excellent. And if by mistake someone put more than 100 marks, so it is invalid. So here I'll mention if logical condition. This is given in Excel. If logical condition B3, this is a less than 50, so bad will execute in the grading, and if not, this part will execute and till this. So I will execute this. Excellent. As we all know that from 90 to 100% excellent is shown. So I will drag this. And as you can see, the whole grading system is shown here. If a student get 98%, excellent is shown. 1 second. I can apply the formula again in front of you, and this is the result. Thank you.